Imagine a world where you can create Hollywood-level movies without a camera, without a crew, and without spending millions of dollars. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's happening right now, thanks to OpenAI's game-changing video model, SORA. Today, we're diving into how SORA is shaking up the entire video industry and what this means for filmmakers, content creators, and you. So, if you've ever wanted to create jaw-dropping videos with just a few words, stick around because this is the future of video generation. So, what exactly is SORA? It's OpenAI's latest AI model designed to generate high-quality, ultra-realistic videos from text prompts. That means you can type something like, "a cyberpunk city at night with flying cars," and boom, Sora brings it to life in stunning detail. But it doesn't stop at short clips. Unlike older AI models, Sora can create longer, coherent videos with natural movements, realistic physics, and even emotional storytelling. We're talking about next-level AI filmmaking. Okay, but how does SORA actually work? Well, it's trained on massive datasets of real-world videos, learning everything from human movement to lighting, cinematography, and physics. It then uses deep learning to predict the next frames of a scene, making it possible to generate entire videos from scratch. The craziest part? It understands camera angles, storytelling techniques, and even artistic styles, meaning it's not just generating pixels, it's creating a cinematic experience. This is a huge deal because Sora is breaking the barriers of traditional filmmaking. Right now, making a high-quality video requires expensive cameras, locations, actors, editors, VFX artists. But with Sora, anyone with an idea and a laptop can bring their vision to life. Indie filmmakers can now create entire short films without ever stepping on set. Content creators can pump out next-level videos without spending hours editing. And imagine what happens when Hollywood starts using this. Could we see AI-generated feature films in the next few years? You bet. Now, here's where things get interesting. Will SORA replace human filmmakers? Well, not exactly, but it will change how we create. Think of it like Photoshop for video. AI won't replace creativity, but it will make the process faster, cheaper, and more accessible than ever before. Now, before we get carried away, let's talk about the challenges. AI still struggles with certain things, like fine details, long-form storytelling, and maintaining consistent characters across different scenes. Plus, there are ethical concerns, from deepfakes to copyright issues. Who owns AI-generated content? How do we prevent misuse? These are big questions we'll need to answer as AI video technology evolves. So, where does this leave us? AI-generated videos are just getting started, and tools like SORA will redefine creativity in the coming years. Imagine a world where movies are made by solo creators, AI-powered animations are the norm, and YouTubers can create blockbuster-level content with a few prompts. That future, it's closer than you think. What do you think about AI-generated videos? Are they the future of filmmaking or just a tool for creators? Let's talk in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into AI, technology, and the future of content creation.